Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah reward you and grant you all that pleases you. Ameen. In one of the previous classes, you advised us not to eat in the meat of the Shīʿah. My question is regarding this. From what I understood, that not all of the Shīʿah are considered kuffar, rather it is dependent on their level of kufr. Wallahu ta'ala a'lam. So, what is the case of the restaurants that as noted as halal, but their meat is slaughtered by the Shīʿah? Should we ask the owners who their meat is slaughtered by? Is there any wrong on the person who does not ask? Is this something we should look into? Furthermore, is all the meat of the Shīʿah prohibited for us, or only the rawafid and the likes? Should we classify their meat all as prohibited? Barakallahu feekum.
Now there is a difference between this person is a kafir or I doesn't eat from him. Okay? This is a big issue amongst the ulama. Some of them they said the ordinary people, not the scholars only, and some of them they said they are all of them in basket. This is not the issue. The issue now, should I take whatever they slaughter or made from them? That's what I answered last time. I said no. Now if you have somebody, not kafir, Muslim, Sunni, but he said something bad about your parents, when they came to ask your daughter's hand, they give him your daughter? Wallahi no, sir. If I know that Shīʿah, they are saying something bad about Aisha, it's our mother, our companion, I'm not interested, even though if he is Muslim, even if he is Sunni. So the issue is kafir or not. I'm not in that stats to say whatever. I'm following the opinion of the ulama. But eating from them, getting married to them, and sometimes a Muslim Sunni smokes, you don't give him your daughter. Some Muslim doesn't pray, you don't go take from him meat. A Muslim, if you go and see him, one day is slaughtering and the next day is killing by his hand, the third day you go, you don't buy from them when you see his hand, because you don't know which is which. Maybe he slaughtered them, maybe he... If a Muslim you have a doubt, somebody tells you he's not a good Muslim Sunni, you don't buy from him. So having meat, this is another issue, completely different. Even if they are good, they are not. If the scholars they say the Shīʿah they are not kuffar, I'm not going to take from them because they are saying bad things about Sahaba and the al-Mu'mineen Aisha radiallahu. Who cares? I don't want to get married to some. I know a lot of sisters. One of them for sure got married to a Shi'i every day. Every day he was cursing Abu Bakr and her name is Aisha. He gave her all the time hard time. So why should I go through that hassle? No, there is no way. And you said there is some stores, it belongs maybe to Muslim Sunni, and the people who slaughter their dhabiha as Shi'i. And after that you said, after you finish this one, you said, should we ask them if they've been slaughtered by Shīʿah? You said, you know, they've been slaughtered by Shīʿah. Why do you have to ask? First, if they are Shīʿah slaughtering this, keep away from them. I'm allergic to them because, you know, when I read about, you know, Aisha, about Abu Bakr Siddiq, I cannot stand that stuff. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Ummahatul Mu'mineen. This is our mother. This is our mother. I cannot stand to take from somebody to buy from him while he's talking bad about my mother. No ways.